Implications of our universe as a tiny bubble. Okay, so let's assume for a second that our universe is just one tiny bubble in a massive cosmic multiverse. What does that actually mean for us? Well, buckle up, because things are about to get mind-blowing. First, if multiple universes exist, then somewhere out there another version of you could be living a completely different life. Maybe in one universe you made a different decision that changed everything. Maybe you chose a different career, met a different person, or who knows? Maybe in some universe you're a billionaire living in a city that floats above the clouds. But let's take it a step further. If our universe is a bubble, could it ever collide with another one? Some scientists think so. They believe that just like soap bubbles merging, two universes could occasionally interact, leaving behind traces of their encounter. And guess what? Some cosmologists believe they've already found possible evidence of such a collision in the cosmic microwave background, the faint radiation left over from the Big Bang. Now here's the real kicker. If universes can collide, what happens to us? Would we even notice? Would physics start breaking down? Would we wake up one day and suddenly find that the laws of gravity have changed? Would history itself rewrite before our eyes? And here's another thought. What if universes don't just collide but sometimes leak into each other? Could paranormal experiences, UFO sightings, or even unexplained vanishings be the result of people slipping into another reality without realizing it? Maybe those stories of people who mysteriously disappear without a trace aren't just accidents. Maybe they've literally fallen into another universe. If this theory is right, then everything we thought we knew about existence is just scratching the surface. Because in the grand scheme of the multiverse, we're not just tiny, we're barely even a blip.